When oil and gas are pumped up from the North Sea or other places, we thank great engineering combined with solid craftsmanship in many areas. Seeing that there is a lot that needs to function perfectly over a prolonged period of time and under demanding conditions, the quality requirements are very high. Here, only the best of the best suppliers measure up. Handling of fluids is a specialist area, which is crucial for optimal functioning of the production process in the oil field, as well as in many other fields. The chemicals are to be stored and distributed securely. They are to be optimally dosed, which requires that sensors monitor the processes. Inrigo has supplied equipment for handling chemicals for oil and gas production in the North Sea and the Barents Sea since 2008. Oil drilling in the subarctic regions is extremely demanding due to weather and temperature conditions and the vulnerability of nature. Inrigo is a highly accomplished supplier in the global fluid market, which includes products, systems and expertise for handling all forms of fluids. We deliver solutions that are applied on ships, in oil and gas installations, aquaculture, energy production and industrial plants, in addition to entire water supply facilities and facilities for treatment of wastewater. We customize our products and apply module-based and scalable systems in order to deliver the best solutions. In addition, we provide services like engineering, manufacturing, after-sales, as well as service at the facilities. Growth allows us, to a greater extent, to challenge large global suppliers in national and international markets. Inrigo is a member of the Norwegian Centres of Expertise Aquatech Cluster and Smart Water Cluster. Fluids are a key factor in a range of production processes within most sectors. Like several chemicals are crucial for optimal functioning of the production process in the oil field. Or process water is needed to reduce the heat in a production process, or even utilize the process water for energy. Within water and waste, fluids represent the commodity itself. We believe that our key to success is the ability to bring excellent expertise and solutions for handling fluids to the point where they solve our customers' needs better than anyone else. For example, producing high-quality drinking water from raw water rich in humus and particles is a challenge in many places. In places like Van Vikan, outside Trondheim, and in Cameroon, we have solved this by using membranes with a longer lifespan, higher capacity, and by use of fewer chemicals than traditional membranes. Another example, it is a challenge to reuse grey water in a so-called smart water system. Together with the municipality of Trondheim, we tested our technology that provides a higher cleaning effect, require less space and use less energy than similar technologies. We challenge ourselves and our partners to deliver world-leading knowledge and technology to our customers. R&D projects are key to this. Whether it is improving the technology to locally handle sewage overflow in cooperation with the municipality of Oslo, coastal sewage treatment technology, small production volumes of drinking water using micro and ultrafiltration, combining the use of membranes, biology and oxidation in cooperation with the municipality of Trondheim, development of the first sewage treatment in Yaoundé, Cameroon, or other technological challenges. Our R&D activity is proof of what we mean by saying we strive to offer maximum added value to our customers. You may wonder what Inrigo means. Inrigo stems from Latin and means handling and distributing fluids. As a partner with environmental technology worldwide, a provider of solutions for water, wastewater, chemicals and gas, this suits us perfectly. So, to put it simply, let Inrigo find the best solutions beyond your expectations.